right, we're here with the runner-up, AJ Rice, one of the most phenomenal bowlers around this area. AJ, I know you in the 10th frame there. You know you needed that pitch there. You could have locked him out.
Yeah.
What happened on that pitch, AJ?
I yanked up on it. I mean, it's just all around just a bad shot. I'm just grateful that I got 8 out of it. So, I mean, I did what I had to do, forced him to double, and Tyrone, being the bowler he is, did his thing, and obviously the best bowler won. So, hats off to him.
Okay, AJ, you go around the country bowling in a lot of tournaments, and your name rings yourself. What made you come to the One Ball That's All tournament?
New car. New car. Or $19,000 whichever one you wanted.
That's right.
But I mean, just the fact you're going to get tournaments, you guarantee the payouts. It's always fun to bowl with this group of guys, and it's easy for me to get here, so it's no brainer for me to come in here and bowl.
AJ, you win so much, and I see you take this defeat right here, and you're still smiling.
Yeah.
You're still AJ Rice.
Yeah.
I wanna say thank you for coming out to the tournament.
No problem. Next time you have one, I'm here.
Thank you, Mr. AJ
No
Rice.
problem. No problem.
All right, AJ Rice, y'all, one of the most phenomenal bowlers on the southern side of Georgia.